welcome back to my channel. So today's video, of course you already know because of the thumbnail and also the little intro I did before this, I'm doing a makeup tutorial. It's going to be a green eyeshadow look. I don't know if I'm going to call it the green apple. I don't know. I'm thinking of ideas now. To create this look, I will be using the 35B palette from Morphe. Now, if you are on a budget and you want a palette full of colors but inexpensive and they are great shadows, they could blend well and everything, then this is the palette for you. The only thing I would have to say is that you will have to build the colors up, but other than that, they blend great. You don't see no patches or unevenness, anything like that. So the shadows that I'll be using for this look will be these two right here and also these two. I think, I don't know, I just might use this one, maybe this one as well, but you know, I'll see when it comes to that point. So let's get right into this tutorial. So for my eyes, I'm just going to use the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. So this would be like my primer, you know. To blend that out, I'm going to blend it with my finger, my ring finger. Fun fact about me, when I'm about to do my makeup, I get nervous but excited at the same time. It's just like, you know, I don't know. Weird. Yes, I know. I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics brush right here. This is a great brush to go into the inner corner and also in your crease. Oh my god, then it's so soft on top of that. I love this brush. I love it. I'm going to pop into this green and I'm just going to apply that all over my crease. When I'm applying my shadow to the crease, I do tilt my head back just a little bit so I can see where my crease is formed, and also I do not lift my brows up at all. You have to build these shadows up so you can receive the true pigment of the color. I'm lifting my brow up so I can get into the crease more. I'm applying the eyeshadow like this with my brush so it can go right a little bit above my crease and not into my crease, because when I'm applying the eyeshadow for my crease, I'm going like this, but I want it to go a little above my crease. And now I'm going to apply more eyeshadow in my inner corner. And then now I'm gonna bring it down on my outer corner. And I'm just tapping the shadow on my outer corner. And then buffing right after. Now with this brush, this is the 229 tapered blending brush from Luxie. I'm going to dip in to this green shadow and apply this right on the outer corner. But with this shadow, I do not want to apply it in the crease. I just wanted to apply it in the outer corner on my lid. Now I'm going to take this green shadow right here and apply that right on top of the other green shadow. There's no name, so on the outer corner. Now I'm going to go back in with the, I say green, I call it green apple. I'm just going to go back in with that green shadow and just apply more to the crease in the outer corner. I am going to take this BH Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer. It's the white corrector. I'm going to take some of this concealer, apply it on my lid, and then look up. I'm going to take this green shadow, it's like a shimmer green, of course with my finger, and apply it right on top of the concealer. moving on, I am going to use the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer to hydrate this face of mine. I like to look hydrated, especially around the areas that I have my dry spots. Even though it's hot outside and it's really like humid, I do still get dry spots and like, you know, dry skin. I get patches. For foundation, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics BH Liquid Foundation Naturally Flawless. This is an ivory beige. I'm going to take my shimmer bronzer to mix with it because I feel like this foundation is going to look too light. And then mix it together. I feel like that didn't do crap to it. Pour a little more. Now let's just pack this in. This liquid foundation from BH Cosmetics is kind of thick. So I'm going to use some concealer and I'm going to dip in to the e.l.f. concealer just a little bit, because this is hydrating. And then the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. To set my face, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Pressed Powder. And I'm just doing a little bit. I'm not doing it all over because I don't like my face to be matte, so I do not apply so much of the powder. Just a little bit to set it. For my highlight, I'm going to use the Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter. I'm going to use bronzer, and I'll be using the NYC City Proof Up to 10-Hour Bronzing Powder, face powder. The color is 720 Sunny. Since my eyes are already bright, I want my blush to be simple, just a little wash of color. So I'm going to go in with the DSL blush in Kitty Pink. To contour my nose, I'm going to use a Bahama Mama bronzer. I'm going to use this palette again, and I'm going to do my lower lash line, going with the lime green, you know, the green apple color. I don't know why I'm using this brush because I have another brush for this. Okay, so I'm gonna use this e.l.f. brush, right? This e.l.f. brush. I'm going to use mascara, and I'll be using the Tarte's mascara. So I'm gonna curl them and then use mascara. I'm going to use also this double decker lashes from Butter London as well. For my lips, I'm going to use the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Ravana. To finish everything up, I'm going to set my face with the Project Beauty Spray, Set, and Go. My God, it goes everywhere. This is my finished look, and I am feeling so 90s right now with my choker and my scrunchie, and then my hair's up like this. I'm feeling it. With this look, if you want to tie in the lip and this is too much for you, you can just use lip gloss, or if this is like too subtle for you, you want something, you know, more bright and dark, you can use a dark green or maybe another pop of color, I don't know, but I just want to use something just, you know, some type of color, but nothing too dramatic because my eyes are already what pulls you in. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Have any questions, just comment below, and yeah guys, I'll see you next time. Bye. This tutorial, so the brush stroke, ooh, chat, and Verona, what? For my, and that Morphe 35, and